Welcome back to our training on homogenizers. In this video, we will cover the maintenance of the crankshaft and the connecting rods with crossheads within the drive compartment of the homogenizer. The crankshaft and the connecting rods with crossheads are crucial components in the drive mechanism of the homogenizer. These parts ensure the conversion of the rotary motion of the motor into the linear motion of the plungers. Regular maintenance and inspection of these components are essential for optimal machine operation. The crankshaft is connected to the connecting rods, which in turn also move the crossheads. It is important to regularly check the clearance in the components. Excessive clearance can lead to wear and inefficient operation. To check the clearance, start by inspecting the crossheads and the connecting rods. Use a feeler gauge to measure the clearance between the connecting rod and the crosshead. The clearance must fall within the recommended tolerances as specified in the manual. Inspect the crosshead assembly. Look for signs of wear or damage and replace parts if necessary. The crosshead assembly must fit properly and should not show any excessive clearance. Also check the adapters and the bevel seals. The bevel seals keep the oil inside the running gear and prevent cooling water from entering the running gear. The bevel seals must be intact to prevent oil from escaping or cooling water from getting into the running gear. Replace worn or damaged bevel seals immediately. Our oil lubrication system ensures that all bearings and moving parts remain sufficiently lubricated. Regularly check the oil level and ensure there are no leaks in the system. The oil level must be at the correct level before the machine is started. While the machine is running, it is essential to monitor the oil pressure. The pressure should be around 4 bar and remain stable. Fluctuating oil pressure may indicate worn parts, such as play in the crossheads or the connecting rod bearings. In summary, regular maintenance and inspection of the crankshaft, connecting rods, crossheads, adapters, and the bevel seals, as well as checking the oil level and oil pressure, are essential for the reliability and efficiency of the homogenizer. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next training video.